Hello everyone, this is Dr. Mahen Singh Bhadoria, Department of Mathematics, ITM Group of Institution, Gwalior. Today I am going to discuss with you the numerical method, particular Bender method for heat equation. So in my previous video lecture, I have already covered topic related to numerical methods, different numerical methods for solution of PDE partial differential equation. So we know that the general form of partial differential equation is A del 2u by del x square plus bx by del 2u del x del y plus cx by del 2u by del y square and so on, which equal to 0. So this equation is known as elliptic equation if b square minus 4ac is less than 0. So therefore the equation of the form del 2u by del x square plus del 2u by del y square equal to 0, which is known as Laplace equation, and equation of the form del 2u by del x square plus del 2u by del y square is equal to fxy, which is known as Poisson equation. So if partial differential equation satisfy the condition b square minus 4ac equal to 0, then we get equation of the form, which form is represented here by equation A, del u by del t equal to c square del 2u by del x square, which is known as one-dimensional heat conduction equation. So we know that del u by del t is equal to del u x comma t plus k minus u x t upon k, and del 2u by del x square, which is equal to ux plus ht minus uxt plus u x minus ht upon h square. So if we putting the value of del u by del t and del 2u by del x square in heat equation, or we may say one-dimensional heat equation, then we get what we get, u x comma t plus k minus u x t upon k, which is equal to c square ux plus h comma t minus 2u xt upon h square plus c square u x minus h comma t upon h square. So if we simplifying this term, then we get a relation, the relation of the form u x comma t plus k is equal to c square k upon h square ux plus h comma t minus 2 c square k upon h square uxt plus uxt plus c square k upon h square ux minus h comma t. Or this equation can write in the form u x comma t plus k is equal to k c square k upon h square ux plus h comma t. So you can also simplify this term again, then mathematically this term is equal to ux comma t plus k, this is equal to au x plus h comma t, taking common ux comma t, then we get next term 1 minus 2a uxt, and the last term is aux minus h comma t. Now if we put a equal to 1 by 2, then u x comma t plus k is equal to 1 by 2 u x plus h comma t plus 1 by 2 u x minus h comma t. So in general we can find a term, this term ui j plus 1 is equal to 1 by 2 ui plus 1 comma j plus ui minus 1 comma j. It means that the value of u at xi at time t is the mean of the value of u at x minus 1 and xi plus 1 at the previous time t. So this relation is known as Bender method. Okay. So now I will discuss with you the numerical problem which is based on this method. So what is the problem here? find the value of ux comma t satisfying the parabolic equation del u by del t is equal to 4 del 2u by del x square with the boundary condition u02 equal to 0, u at t is equal to 0, ux0 is equal to 4x minus 1 by 2 x square. So it is clear that the given parabolic equation is one-dimensional heat equation, and here we use Bender method to solve this partial differential equation with the given boundary condition. So boundary conditions are y 0t equal to 0, u0t equal to 0, u at t equal to 0, ux0 is defined as a function 4x minus 1 by 2 x square. So at the point x equal to I equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 7, t is equal to 1 by 8 z, where j is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 5. Now here look at the screen for solution. Here we should recall that to solve equation or problem, there are some iteration formula like Jacobi iteration formula, Gauss-Seidel formula, SOR method. These all methods are useful method whenever finite difference approximation to derivative we find. So here c square is equal to 4, h is equal to 1, k is equal to 1 by 8. So what is the A? A is c square k upon h square. So whenever we put c square is equal to 4, h is equal to 1 and k is equal to 1 by 8, then we get this A is equal to, after simplifying, 4 into 1 by 8 upon 1, which is equal to 1 by 2. Then the equation is ui comma j plus 1 this is equal to 1 by 2 ui minus 1 comma j plus ui plus 1 comma j. Now we are going to applying the boundary conditions. The boundary conditions are u0t equal to 0 and u8 equal to 0. Or in general, in place of t, if we are taking j, then look at here, u0j is equal to 0 or u8j equal to 0. Okay. Now for all values of j is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We could find the value of by using method. So look at here. Ux comma 0 is equal to 4x minus 1 by 2x square. So here if we replace ux0 is equal to 4x minus 1 by 2x square is equal to ui0 is equal to 4i minus 1 by 2i square. So if you put in place of I 0, then we get u00 which equal to 0. If we put I is equal to 1, then we get u10. Then this u10 is 4 into 1 minus 1 by 2 1 square, which is equal to 3.5. What u20? u20 is equal to 4 into 2 minus 1 by 2 2 square, which is equal to 6. Why it is equal to 6? Because look at here, whenever we put I is equal to 2, then from first term we get 8 minus from second term we get 2. So 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. What is u30? In the same manner, u30 is equal to 7.5. u40 is equal to 8. u50 is equal to 7.5. u60 is equal to 6. u70 is equal to 3.5. So these entries are shown in the following table. Here we taking j is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. I is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we find the entries in such a manner. For j is equal to 0, the entry is this: 0, 3.5, 6, 7.58, 7.56, 3.50. Whenever in place of 0 we take 1, then the entries are for 1 the entries are 0, 3, 5.5, 7, 7.5, 7, 5.5, 3, 0. Okay. So look at here. Here we are showing that how this value have calculated. So look at here. Whenever you put j is equal to 0 in equation number 1, what is happening? Then we have ui comma 1 is equal to 1 by 2 ui minus 1 comma 0 plus ui plus 1 comma 0. Now u11 is equal to 1 by 2 u00 plus u20, which is equal to 1 by 2 0 plus 0, which equal to 3. Now what is u21? u21 is equal to u21 is equal to 1 by 2 u10 plus u30, which is equal to, this value is 5.5, because u10 we already calculated, this is equal to u3.5, and u30 already calculated 7.5. So here we are using the previous value that already we can find. So u31 is equal to, if we put the value of u20, u40, then u31 is equal to 7. u41 is equal to 7.5, u51 is equal to 7. u61 is equal to 5.5, 71 is equal to 6. Now putting if j is equal to in 1, then we have u12 is equal to 1 by 2 ui minus 1 comma 1. In place of I, if we put 1, then u12 is equal to 1 by 2 u01 plus u20, which is equal to 2.75. Are you getting my point? So here we can easily find these all values like u12, u22, u32, u42, u52, u62, u72. This is the value whenever we put j equal to 2. And whenever we put j is equal to 3, whenever we put j is equal to 4. So here the iteration method is approximate same, the value we find approximate same, so after the putting j equal to 4, we get the required answer. So in today's video lecture, we have learned about the solution of heat equation by Bender-Smith recurrence relation. Thank you for watching video.